Hello, today we're gonna be flying a plane in first person. Now, let's hope we're not gonna crash. Fuck! So wait, yeah, let's try that again. I'll be using the Fusing's dynamic aircraft mod, so yeah. Let's use a different color instead. So let's just go on this plate over here. And then great view from the cockpit. I don't know what plane this is, but I don't really care. It's the runway. No, I'm not exactly center line, but that doesn't matter. We're going. We're off. Oh shoot, that's a house. Okay, we're gonna impact some trees. Oh. Crud. Okay, we need to balance back out. This is literally meant to be a short little trip around the island. Shoot, where are we? Okay. Oh, nope, those are trees. Those are damn trees. Shoot. Oh my god. How do we make through that? The wings aren't in the best shape. What's happening? Okay, we need let's face it, let's just get on the ground. Let's just get on the ground. Shoot, that's not the. Oh, wait, is it? No, it is. It is. God, we gotta stop. We gotta stop. Crud. Okay, we need to go back around. Okay. No, wait, I'm aligned with the trees. Frick, I'm aligned with the trees. Look. What? No. We're going down. We're down. We are down. Ah! Oh my god. Okay. Did not go. Didn't go as planned. What even happened? Oh, I know what happened. I think I can make a mental image. So, we're flying. Pretty sure our wing clipped one of these trees over here. Like, to do the footage again, but it clipped the tree. And then clipped one of these trees. Yeah, it's over here. I found part of the wing. Yeah, that's part of the wing. It's one of these trees. Yeah. It's like barely I clipped it. Caused my entire wing to fall apart. And then I crashed over here. I'd have to review the footage again. Is about what happened. There's only the endings. Well, actually, it's coming into view. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, it's worse than I thought. Dude, the entire wing about falling off. Oh my god. No, that's a tail. So. Yeah, here's the tail. The rest of the plane. Yeah. Not the best there. Weather. Yeah, this wing about peeled off. I lost control. And that's where I was. And I'm dead. Okay. Now let's try again. With like a different one. Yeah, this is kind of small. I'm gonna go with Fusion for this mod. Let's try not to crash. Here we go. Into the skies. Are we going up? Okay. Oh. My God. Stop going up. Stop going up. Holy crap. Stop going up. Okay, I'm zooming out to see this happen. Okay, we're upside down. Crap. Pull up, pull up. Okay. That was kind of the plane's fault. Let's drive our little car. Well, it's not a little car, it's like a Max car, but I don't care. Okay, whatever. I think most of this stuff went down. Yeah, it's all over here. Oh my. Yeah, it's a little worse from where drive this police car over here. Done. What is this? Done. I'm pretty sure I found the main wreckage over here. I mean, I'm not sure. I crashed into a rock. Oh, I found a belt. And the other family. It's going to create a boat. Let's go under the water. There's nothing really to see here. Anyway, let's go. I'll fly the stairs. I'm gonna take off, like on a taxiway or something. Worst idea. Now, I'm just doing this for fun, because it's just tear down. Oh shoot, a tree. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Which tree to climb? This, no. One of these trees. Here. Clip. Found out. Right? I mean, I don't know. Let's try one of these. Auto start. There. Oh god. Multiple trees. We're losing. We're lost part of our wing. God damn. Why is it so hard? Okay. Okay. Oh, well, that was stupid. That was stupid. Just crash straight into the ground. Here's some of the other planes. Anyway, I think this plane. Da 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 da. Oh no, that's the terminal. Okie that's a treat. Okay. I don't know what I was doing. Yeah, it was this exact tree. Click the side of this first arrow launch. What about high speed crashes? Like that. Oh no. That makes sense, you know. Okay, what about this? That? No, wait. Ragdolls. I've crashed this into the trees. I mean, I know, but I don't know. I'm gonna get on video. Joined ATC 24 the other day. Well, I rejoined Discord. I'm not gonna zoom in for this one. There's a ragdoll right there. Oh, and no. The engine's just cut out. And we're into that house. Oh my god, there's a house. Oh. Oh, I'm in a rock.
Hey, boy.
Yeah, so it's gonna be one bad day for this. This is a house. Oh, the poor car, no. Not good. Here's the door on this plate. There it is. Oh god, that's not gonna be salvageable. But maybe here? Well, definitely the house, probably. But I don't know about anything else. The car. The car isn't that bad. Oh, wait. So the car was a bunch of ragdolls. Nope. Yeah. Not a worse for wear, but still drivable. Still drive, it's fine. One more plane crash before I go. The fuck? Ah. There we go. Oh. Okay. That's gonna be about it for this episode. So, see you in the next one. Bye bye.